Looks like I am live again. Huzzah. So, doing a continuation of what I was working on yesterday. Sorry, trying to get this chair fixed up. Oh. Oop. Oh. Didn't get it right. Okay. Yeah, so let's get this. Not sure why it got all sorts of weird. Boom. Oh, yeah. Going to just reduce this lights just a bit. And did I plug in? Yeah, my phone's plugged in. Oh my god, I don't want to respond. Okay, let's see here. Boom. Share, copy link. Streaming my research day over on YouTube. Good opportunity to work together. If you want to on in the background, working on spatial analyses in R, updating my package, what is the other main thing I'm working on today? I ask. Updating my package. Investigating. Yeah, so I have a few goals I want to do today. Cool. And then boom, boom. Link. Okay. So basically, what I am working on right now, well, specifically what I'm working on is I'm watching The Gladiator right now on a different screen, so I'm trying to get that situated a little bit better so I can, now I can see you and what I'm doing, so, noise. Okay, let's adjust this monitor. And let's hop over into Notion. I've done a lot. Let's go into research just to make this a little more clear. Okay, so right now we do need to sort this by, boom, ascending order, descending order. And then we also should sort it by section where it is descending. Ascending? Doesn't matter right now. Cool. So, what am I working on right now? I'm not doing the bat data set. That's going to be on hold. Make a better time calibrated tree. That one will be on hold. Fill out. That one is in progress and we're currently doing it, so let's put that there. Post hoc we'll keep on hold. We'll set up RAS. We'll put not started. Actually, yeah, these should be not started. On hold for me means it's going into the background and I'm not working on it. Like the bat data set, the writing workflow, stuff like that. Get a new version of biodiverse, that'll take a second. Canopy, that'll take a second. That's going to take a second. Step 2. Yeah, so lots of just making my code better because there are some issues that will be solved by doing that. So let's do that. And this is one that's in progress. And this one is currently in progress. Okay. This one is in progress as well. This one, actually, this one is also in progress. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. Notion keeps my life so fucking organized. Okay. Neat. So basically, where I was at yesterday was I was taking this massive script here, which creates all my file regions, and then breaking it up into smaller steps. So, for example, step one is where we load in the data, get the packages in order. The second one is where we clean our spatial data. The third one is where we combine some of our data, so GBIF and IUCN data, which is what I'm currently doing. I was running into some issues right here. So basically, yeah, I ran into some issues, which I realized I had a function which could solve it. So it is actually this, not this function, not here. Let's eliminate all our bullshit. I have it open. This function right here, SF collapse, I used it for a different project for the amphibians and protected areas in the United States project, which is up on my website actually. But all it does is you feed it an SF object with and specify some type of grouping column, and then it will go through and combine those together. So let's say you have some SF object. Let's say you have species of amphibian, right? And you have a shapefile for every single species. What you can do with this function is you can give it that object that has all of the home ranges of all of the species, and then say group it by family. So then it'll do is it will take every single family, assuming that you have a family column in here, and then find each unique value and combine them together, dissolve the boundaries, and make a single polygon for that. It's actually been a really useful function. It's pretty simple. It's all here, and I just added it to my package, Evo Gear. My package is not really, I mean, it's public, but it's not great. I'm not making it very user-friendly at this stage. But if you want to use this, you absolutely can. I don't care if someone else uses it. You just need to do this like install GitHub Diljon Evo Gear thing. Evo Gear is the name of the package. So what I'm hoping is that it will fix this. So right, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to combine the two SF objects. Why is my environment empty? Let's load the data. Cannot open the connection. Oh, my working directory is off. I'm just going to be lazy with my working directory and do it here. Set as working directory. There we go. So now I can load in my data set, which outputs. Which I think is probably a little too big. I also need to. Oh god. I pulled something again from the shoulder up through my trap into my neck. Pretty common spot for me to pull things, although I usually don't have too many shoulder issues. So I'm going to get a little hemp into here and rub some cream on it. I'll do it on stream, I guess. That's weird. That sounds weird. Yep. So, yeah, it's got me this CBD cream. It's not going to focus. I have autofocus turned off. But it's a, it's a topical cream for, wow, I can't think today. Coffee's still coming in. For pain and whatnot. So you just rub it on. And I just want to do it. I forget, she gave me a couple things actually for it. But yeah, just a nice little cream. It works really well. It kind of numbs things quite a bit. I'll probably get some on my clothes, but whatever. it actually works fantastically well for me. I think she got it for, was it my birthday? What'd she get it for me for? Or was it my birthday? Was it my birthday? She got me like a whole care package. She's incredible. Oh god. Okay. Oh. And then I just want to put a little bit on my shoulder, so I'm just gonna. There we go. Yeah, we'll see. There's one of them that adds a lot of heat to it. It's actually kind of cool, but I think it's like a stick thing. Like it's a little. I have it too, but yeah. Oh, okay. I also used a massage gun quite a bit earlier. Only things that help. Okay. So basically, I'm just forgetting how to combine SF objects together. It should just be a simple R bind, but I think in this case, the column names need to be more consistent. So I don't think I need to merge it. I was trying to, but that doesn't actually make too much sense. It's weird because merge says it works for SF objects, like the merge function, but naturally that does not seem to be the case. Yeah, doesn't seem to be the case. So I'm just gonna R bind it and then use that SF collapse function to collapse them based on species. So that's what we're gonna do. So really what I need to do is I have data from GBIF, the Global Biodiversity Information Facility, which includes things like iNaturalist data, Atlas projects, stuff like that. And then I also have IUCN data, which are like shape files created by experts. So we're using both. Okay, so there we go. Oh my god. So I need to, this step is going to take a second. And then in occurrence SF, so if we look at this, we have the occurrence data set, and we also have IUCN maps. So really what I need to have are consistent columns between both of them to combine them. So you see that IUCN maps has a lot of data, which is not strictly needed. Sorry, I'm being stupid. There was a time, this is a real thing, but I turned it into a joke now. We had the kitchen staff at the research station cooking for us, and Evelyn, who makes the best fucking breakfast nachos in the world. I was helping her take some stuff out, and she was like, "Thank you." Well, she was like, "Gracias," and I was like, I was trying to be like, no, thank you, because like you're cooking the food and all that. My dumb ass said, no, gracias. So I do that now to Yaz. I'm trying to speak more Spanish and get it a little better. But yeah, so basically, once these are done, we can, yeah. Let's see, so this, yeah, so mutate ID number. Okay, cool. And then what we'll do is we will select ID number, binomial, and geometry. And then for IUCN, what am I calling it? IUCN maps SF. IUC and maps SF. We're going to also select just ID number. Binomial. Oh, I forgot that, like, sorry, I am watching Gladiator right now, and the fucking son of the emperor or whatever, who becomes the emperor or whatever. I forgot that he was like a little bitch. Cool. Yeah, these functions are just taking a while to run. Like, they're going. But yeah, so they just take a little bit of time. And then from here, I should be able to rbind OC. I think what I can, let's just do it there. So we'll do OCC full is equal to rbind OCC SF with IUCN maps SF. That's what it should be. So then I don't need to do this. Once we have those R-binded, then I should be able to do SF collapse based on that, based on binomial, which will then collapse it into a binomial. From there, like this should work. Like this pipeline should work. So once this is done running, we'll have a better idea of what's going on here. I'm trying to remember in Spanish the I am using type of thing. Sorry, this just takes a very long time, but I want to keep everything in SF format. Oh, he's killing the Emperor because Daddy never loved him. Listen, Daddy never loved me, but I didn't fucking kill an Emperor. Maybe if you weren't such a bitch, Daddy would love you. Damn, I'm just like... I'm also taking it very chill today because I've been overworking quite a bit. So let's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm also going to should I do it in Notion or okay, EcoGeoEvo, I don't think I'm using my package right now. So let's switch projects. Let's do a new project. New project, and so it's intro to spatial data. So we'll put this inside of Google Drive, or I can actually skip ahead. Courses, and here new, intro to spatial data. R. Yep, boom, it'll go here. Cool, create this project. Awesome. So while this runs, we can actually start up a little project that is all about spatial data. I've been wanting to do this for a little bit, so let's do a R markdown. Okay, I thought everything was already loaded properly, but whatever. Untitled, so layout of course. So what we'll do here is you're going to go, well, we're going to go to the visual. And yeah, so heading 1, intro, so here we go. What is spatial data in R? Why do we use it? do we use it? Where is it other software such as GIS? Then we'll get into types of spatial data. So we'll go rasters, SP, and SF. And then we'll start doing it. So intro to SF. So basically with this package, I will teach people how to convert all things to SF. This is SF or raster, but most people will work with SF. And then we'll start learning about the basics. So let's do let's do the basics of spatial data. So this will include things like the type of shape, types of files, CRS slash projections. Oh damn, I forget what happens in this scene. Damn. Oh, okay, cool. We'll look at that in a second. So now we have... Perfect. So now we have these two SF objects. So ID and species, ID binomial. So we'll just make sure that this is now... what? What? You can't do... Oh, come on. You can do select on SF objects, right? What? Oopsies. So you can do mutate, but you can't do select. Is that right? Hold on. So I just have to do select. Maybe .sf, and apparently geometry is maintained no matter what. Ooh, click the wrong thing. Okay, wait. Let's interrupt this. Oopsies. No, I don't want to redo that. Okay, good. Bruh. What? Select. Wait, but select just works right there. What? So, what? Why is this not working? So, okay, it just needed to be explicit. Weird. I don't know why that happens every now and then, but it is what it is. So now both of these have ID number and binomial combined. I'm going to keep it the same, but now I should just be able to R-bind them together. Just double check that works. And then I have occurrence full with all of them together. So if we actually investigate this data a little bit more closely, oh, it might not let me actually because geometry is a little wacky. So we just won't do that. So let's now do it with let's redo that with now SF function that I used, or I created, and we will collapse it based on binomial. So this will run through it. I don't remember if I have a vocal output on this. I don't think I do actually. I've been meaning to add that. Nope. Could not find function SF collapse. Yes, you can. I just loaded it earlier, yo. This is something. Yes, it. Oh, collapse. There we go. Invalid subscript type closure. I'm gonna do it not in tidy because maybe that's just messing up. So let's do that here. Invalid subscript type closure. Yeah, so it should be able to combine these two together. So I think it's failing in the splitting of the data frame. Okay. Well, let's switch projects again. So this one is overview. Okay. And let's change this to alrighty then. So let's okay, so let's put this into a script. Let's just say now, we're just going to do some bug testing here. So we're going to say here, OCC full is considered SF. Okay. So where it's NA, we change it to NA. Don't think it did that. Okay. I'm going to create a new function, and let's do it there. Group column not found. Okay, so then we will do group call is equal to binomial. Okay, so it's fucking up here. Apologies. Oh, I already know the issue. Or I think I do. Blah, 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 SF collapse. Boom. Boom. Cool. Yep. So basically, what it was is that I fed it as a variable instead of as a string. Or I guess I fed it as an object, not a variable. That's better. Yep, this function's going to take a little bit, but I'm pretty sure I fixed it up. You know what? Let's make this while I have this going. I think I should make it more explicit. So you grab the labels here, do call. How does this work? Split by category function. What the fuck is the point of this? I legit don't know the point of this function right here. Okay, I split it here, and then I L apply ST union. Ah. So I would need to do something here and change funk. Okay, easy enough, easy enough. Hot girls are waiting here? Wow, that's incredible. Interesting. This seems to be taking quite a while, but it is a big data set. I guess I can't be too surprised. Oh, I guess no. This is what to do when. Cool. No. Oh no, not valid. Okay, well, this is going to be time to set this up a little better. Okay. So we have it here. Let's fix it here. Let's fix it here and then I'll just copy it over. So we have here. I don't think we need ST combine. I think we just need ST union. But I will also be, so whenever we split it into this split, okay, but if I split it, what I'm trying to get is, okay, oh, splitting is just taking a while, that's for damn sure. Okay, well, one, I should make all these things valid. So within OCC full, let's actually just do an ST make valid, just so we don't get any of those self intersections. So then what we'll have here is it's going to go into the union, but then it is going to go into, because it is splitting it, probably should have done this last. Oh well. What I'm trying to get is this. So then I believe I would just need to get, so we'll print x1. It is a list. I think that's right. I don't think that's right. We'll find out. Sorry, just gotta wait on this code to run now. Basically, ST make valid, there's sometimes geometry is just weird, so it tries to make all of it as valid as possible by removing those self-intersections. But I usually don't try to do that here. I try to do that all at the end. I should also simplify these a bit, but I was going to simplify them after I combine them, just so that we're not, I don't know, messing with things too much. Usually what I do during these moments is I just play guitar. Like, this is why my skills with the acoustic have improved so much over the last few years, because coding, oh, and look at that, it just finished up with that end of things. So if I do, so if we're splitting it, if we are splitting it, and then L apply, we'll just do func here. I believe this should just work. So I'll just run it for a second, and okay, so it is printing the IDs. So what I can do here already. So this is an instructional moment. Let me show you what I got. So let's also make this, I need to set up these scenes a little better so I can zoom in for y'all. Oh, wait, actually, course filming, here we go, and then zoom in on source, environment, and console, there we go. So this is a very good instructional moment. So you'll see here we printed out the ID numbers. That's not what I was wanting, that's fine. That's totally fine. I'll change this to 2. But you can see that every time in this function, you won't be able to see that right in the environment. No, in the source. You'll see with this function here, what it does is that it just prints out the ID. I just changed this to number 2, so it should be printing out the names now. And then it unions those things together. Well, if you notice, back down in my console, only a few of these actually have 2 values, right? So this is only one shape, one shape, one shape, one shape, one shape, one shape, and then 2 shapes. One shape, one shape, one shape, one shape. What we can do is we can add a very simple check here that simply doesn't run the union if there are only one value. So let's take a small subset of this. Actually, let's just take the split. So we'll call this split. That way I can just look at it a little bit more closely. So you'll see this is the split we have. 1,600 species are located here. I'm saying here, but you can't see. Sorry, over the environment. This is split. So what split does is it converts a data frame or something else. In this case, it's converting a. Did I just close it? No. In this case, it's converting an SF object into a list of SF objects based on some criteria. So in this case, we gave the binomial or the species name. So if we look here, we'll see a lot of them are just singular ones. Let's see, here we go. So this one right here, Abronia graminia, we'll see that there are actually 2 values instead of 1, right? There's 1, 2 ID numbers. There are 2 entries of the name versus 1 entry of the name. So what we can do here is we can say, we can actually test this right now. So let's do a length split, and I believe this will be number 1, 2. Let's just start off with actually number 1. Let's just do that. So, apologies, 1. So it's length 1. If we keep iterating through this, so 2, right? But if we go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we should see a length of 2. Let me just double check around because sometimes so it's not length. It'll very likely be number of rows. So we'll do n row. No. So each of these, because it is one object in there. So realistically, we're trying to get the length of the column. So let's do it here. We'll do 7, and then we'll make sure it's 1. 2. There we go. Let's look at it as number 1. Perfect. So all we're just doing here, oh my god, just realized you can't see what I'm seeing, is down here. What it's doing is we are checking the number of rows inside of this split based on, in this case, this first number will be which object in the list. Oh my gosh, it's not. I need some way that shows you perfectly. So if the number is 7, for example, I'm actually just going to keep this on console. You'll see the output. If I keep this on 7, what it does is we have a length of 2. We have 2 rows, and that indicates there are 2 values. But if we look at a different one, say number 2, we see it's only 1. So that means there are not duplicated values in this set. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the split of x, and I believe I would only need to do it here. And then if n row of x1 is equal to, let me show you on my source, is equal to 1, we will do this, which is nothing else. We will then print the species, and we will union. Okay, so this should work. This should work perfectly fine. Let's see. Boop. And we should start to, okay, so it should be doing nothing. Oh my god, it's not even like properly an if. Stupid, stupid, stupid. That was just dumb. Okay, so then, there we go. So, haha, you see? So, now it's only doing, let's just stop it really quick. So now it's only doing ones that are, stop it really quick, which are duplicated throughout. So all of these are like Agalicnus morlettii, Agalicnus lemur. So these are like some of your, or Agalicnus calidris. That's your red-eyed tree frog. So these are some of those species here. Things like Abronius or the lizards, Echistrodons, Contortrix, and Piscivorus. Those are copperheads and water moccasins, respectively. So you see, we just have a big data set here. But now that we're only doing the ones that are overlapping, we are saving a considerable amount of time. So, and now I'm just going to make this a little bit better. So instead, I'm going to paste 0. Cool. So now unioning polygons 4, and then I will just add this for x2, and then we'll just say it's the first one, and then boom. So there are, and then I want to add in the polygon count. So there are n row x1, boom, polygons. Cool. So this should now have just a little bit of a better output. So if we give it a second, it takes a little second to split everything. Oh, I am so dumb. I need to print this paste. So print. Cool. Yeah, so you see it is working almost perfectly. The only thing I need to add is a space. Okay. Cool. So this, pretty sure, is done. Pretty sure. Let me double check in out. It's not out, it's not done. Okay, I'm going to say that this is, oh, actually, let's change this to now collapsing. And boom. And now we're going to add this to my package. And boom. Okay, cool. So this will be saved. Let's commit it and let's use it now. So I've been using an R package, or I've been creating git sf collapse. Should be, I should have to commit this. There we go, there we go. Okay, cool. So now, okay, added loop, or, oh no, added logic gate to not, added logic gate to not union singular polygons, and then also made output more, also made output verbose by default. Cool. So commit, close, push, give it a second, boom, closed. Okay, cool. So that is all good there. Now, hither. Probably won't need to edit there, but let us now, in my packages, let us detach Evo gear, and then let us now install it. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes I might have to do this a couple times. interrupt. Fuck off. Okay, I think that fixed whatever the fuck was going on. There we go. Yep, so now if we look in the console, you can see that it is running perfectly, and now I actually have some visual indicator that it is running. The only thing I would like to add in the future is maybe just a loading bar. Nice. So, and this will also help us out if there are issues. Edge 0 crosses edge 5. So there is an error here with, so it's either on Hydrophis platurus or something else. So let's investigate. Okay, actually, let's just do that. Okay, actually, we already got a very good thing here. Hera. So edge 0 crosses edge 5. So that's the only thing. It's weird that it takes that long to get an error, so that's why it's just probably some invalid polygon. So if we go to Hydrophis, it's either invalid here or on Andersoni. But I did make both of them valid beforehand. Okay, I mean, all of it valid up here. So, the goal is to figure out, is it failing on Hydrophis, or is it failing somewhere else? So, we should also... Okay. So let's do this. So I want to do... okay, so then here we will do paste 0, paste 0, and then we'll do it there. And then here has only one polygon not be collapsed. And so what we'll do here is also we will then I want to add an increment counter. Oh, but if it's going over lapply, so how would I, I'm trying to conceptualize that. So increment counter with lapply. Yeah, inside of an apply structured loop. I am struggling with that. Yeah. Yeah, you have to do it. So I just won't have a counter. That's fine. Okay, that's whatever. We just won't worry about that. Okay, cool. So this will allow us to know if it is in the Hydrophis area. So if we go back to here, Hydrophis. So let's take 560 to 570 as our SF object. So 560 through 570. Oops, apologies. Just the rows. And then that will allow us to, boom. That obviously did not work. Or did it? Okay, so it was somewhere much farther down the line. So it wasn't on Hydrophis, because that, but, wait, that should have still set, that still should be outputting though. Wait. What is the SF object? Something weird's going on here. Why is this not working right? Hold on. This should be, okay. How peculiar. So if I segment it out, it doesn't work. Or what? Wait. Subset SF. Yeah, it should just... Oh, I know what it is. So we're going to sort. according to binomial, and then, okay, so let's just start off with this. Did you intend to set partial? It is called binomial, right? No, wait, it's not sort, it's arrange. And then now we'll have the species actually in order. So then now it'll make sense for us to do there we go. There we go. Okay. So I just want to what? So oh, but yeah, now this order is going to be very different. So let's review this now that it has been updated, and it was failing on an H, right? Hydrophis or something? Hydrophis. So 5. Okay. Oh, let's actually view the not occurrence full. Let's view SF. That'll make more sense. Okay, here we go. Oh, shit. But now SF is only partial. So now we can view what I need to view. Here we go. Okay. So, fuck, it's not going to be helpful, is it? Because the row numbers are all fucked up. I'll be able to figure it out, though. Okay. Here we go. Hydrophis is here. So we want to show, let's just do 1,000 to 1,100, and that should work. Okay, there we go. Now we get 1,000 to 1,100. Now we can start to investigate. But it's still not... It's still not showing the has only one. So if, because I'm not printing it, again, same issue. It's okay. There we go. So now I can actually see what the fuck is going on. Here we go. Okay, so let's just say I remove Hydrophis. Let's say Hydrophis platurus is just too much of a pain in the ass. Like, it's just fucked up. I wish it would just tell me the actual number. Fucking lost it. So I think I just need to remove Hydrophis. So let's remove Hydrophis. So let's do it where it is C minus 1,100 and on now. I thought that would work on C's. Come on. So I want to remove, and then let's just filter it out and see if that's the issue. Or maybe let's actually plot it out. Let's actually plot this really quick. Let's get an idea of what's going on. So if we look at occurrence full, I want to filter by where binomial is equal to hydrophis platurus, and then I just want to plot it. Okay. So, oh, these are like sea snake things. Okay. I think what I need to do is just remove the data for now. So then, okay, so we are going to be doing everything. Here. A few shape files are weird. Removing for now. So then, here we go. Occurrence full, where we'll filter where binomial is not equal to hydrophis platurus. And then this will be, this one I'll actually reassign at the start. So then, let's now just run the code. Let's do it. I think this song is on the 6th. So. Let's see if it gets past that point. It's getting to where Hydrophis was. If it goes into Hylas... Oh, we're good. Cool. There was not a single Hyla? Oh, they might be Dryophytes already. Cool. Yeah, my guess is that those Hydrophis ones were just weird. I mean, they are weird, but like because they're only on the beach, basically, that's like the only place you really find them, because they are they're like sea snakes. So, just waiting on this to run, and yeah. It's always so funny that, like, he's like... I actually just realized kind of like a nice thing about this dual screen thing to watch shit is that I can actually see my OBS, so I can see the code running on the same screen, even though it's on a different screen. That's so annoying, but whatever. Yeah, it's just that one polygon seems to be the issue, so no big deal. It also is going to be excluded anyways, so because I remove records in the oceans, so it would likely be excluded, or should have been excluded, but there's some that where the points are just probably dipping over onto the beach, or well, they were found on the beach, but it's going to the S's, so it's already pretty close down. You know, just needs to go through. I mean, S is pretty big with Scaloporus and Synax and all that stuff, so. So yeah, okay, Sterarias, so those are your brown snakes. Tantillas are your little ground snakes. It's probably just a good little time to refresh all my stuff. Tarica is the newts. Tetrahyla is one of the hylids. Thamnophis are your like garter snakes type of things. Garter snakes, ribbon snakes, those things. Found a few of those. Proximus, Sertalis. Elegans, I think I'm found. Pretty sure. Thorius. Oh, I should know Thorius. Ooh, it's already in the U's, though. Urosaurs and Yumas, little lizards. Thorius. I know Thorius. Thorius are... Yeah, they're pygmy salamanders. Yeah, so these are Thorius. Oh, it's not going to focus, but... Virginia. Xanthusias are cool. Yeah, arboreal minute salamander. Thorius arbuus. Cool. Don't you really give me error right at the end? Oh, that hurts. How the fuck, where's the error in there? What? So it failed here. Oh my god. I didn't return anything. Oh my god. So dumb of me. So dumb of me. So let's just double check that this will work really quick. Go, so just let it collapse a whole bunch of things, not all of them, but a whole bunch. Top of the morning to you as well. Another wonderful morning of coding and figuring out bugs, but things are coming together pretty nicely. So class list. So why is this one being fed as a list? Huh. Oh. Wait, why is it returning what's printed? Else. Okay, wait. Okay, so I fucked up pretty bad. So let's do, we'll call this one out, and then we'll also call it as out is equal to out is equal to x. Okay, cool. So then we will return x. That's what it should be doing in out. I don't know why it's not returning. Why is it returning it as a list? Okay. Why is it doing that? Yeah, okay, here we go. I think it is like there's like a way to do it, and then you just rbind it. Do call rbind. Oh, that's it. That's all I needed to do. Then so just double checking. No. This should be one polygon. No. Huh. It should have collapsed all of these, but it didn't. Well, I guess this should need st collapse and then st union. Let's try that. No, wait. That's not right. Yes. St collapse is not it. Oh no. St combine. There we go. St combine and then st union. That's what I needed. Okay. And let's just space things out a little bit so it looks a little nicer, a little bit easier to read. Okay, and then loop 3. very odd to me. Let's see if there are SF, ST union. Oh, I forgot that this is part of it. This thing is major to it, so let's add that here, and now it should just work. That fixed it, pretty sure. No, but now out is still doing this. It's still not combining them into a single geometry. That's the whole point of this. Oh my god, I wasn't returning the right thing. It was the errors of my actions the whole time. I just was not even, it wasn't even, yeah. Subscript out of bounds. No, that's just what it's supposed to be, yo. Why does this not work? What is going on here? Oh, wait a second. So some of them are lists, some of them are data frames. I see. What if I remove ST combine? Maybe I don't actually need it because I messed it up last time, and that's why that's now giving me a different error. Let's remove this for loop for a second and just see what happens if you just union everything. Because then I would have a consistent output, all lists. So, oh, but now it's a matrix? It used to be C, so let's try that. Oh, that's not gonna work, that's not gonna work, that's not gonna work. Because it's doing it over itself. Okay, cool. So, boom, boom. I think that did it. but now, right, so now it misses the data, but now we have out, and we have a proper data set, I think now. Yep. Okay. So then, names out. So now it just adds the binomial back in, and then returns out. Okay. And then, oh god, what is it for warnings? Oh my god, what is it for R? R suppress warning. I don't remember it being this, but I'll do it. And then we'll turn it back on. Okay, and then what we will do is we will put this for loop back, but it's only going to be verbose. So we will do that. We will move this out to Hida, and there we shall go. Okay, and then, yep. Yep. Uh-huh. Okay. So then here we can do Can I do that? No, I'm not gonna worry about that. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Okay, nope, it should have suppressed those warnings. It's the whole point. Oh, there is just a suppress warnings code. That's all I want. I assume that's a... Okay. Suppress messages, that's what I want to do. Can just remove all of that. Cool. No, I just wanted to do the function. Error. Oh no, yeah, I do want to just do this whole function. Oopsies, just not thinking. There we go. Perfect, okay. Okay. So now, time to re-add this to my package again. Let's also just format this way better. Yeah, I have lots of extra rows for some reason. Empty lines, okay, cool. Saved, and now we'll just need to commit and push this to Git, and I'll be able to keep going on the project. Oh, fun, fun, fun. Okay, come on. Let me get it. Boom. Commit message updated SF collapse to be verbose and fix several issues present. Actually really quick, because when I was running it with SF collapse, it was much faster. So if I go back into this function and I do st collapse, I don't know, maybe there is something to do it about putting them together. Oh, not collapse. I'm doing collapse. ST. Oh my gosh. Combine. Is this a thing, or am I just making things up? Is ST combine before ST union faster? Here we go. Let's just see what happens if I run this. That was a lot faster. But does everything looks totally fine. Okay, we're doing that then. Okay, yeah. Just making sure that it is there. Fix several issues. Also, now ST combine before ST union, as it provides a noticeable speed increase. Okay, cool. Commit this. Close and then push. Cool. Let's give that a second, and then I can run it. Hello. I'm watching Gladiator right now too. I forget that Emperor dude is such a little. God, he's such a baby. Oh God, people love someone else more than me. Like literally what he's saying. Insane. Okay. Now, let's see if I can finally get this to work. Okay. Okay, and now it just needs to run. Again. Gosh, I'm on like, oh my gosh, I'm on like 2 hours of just this little function. I didn't even realize that Gladiator's already 2 hours into it. Just get this going. I want to double check my my tuning on this, because that low E sounds a little bit off. Yeah, it was tuned down like a full half step. I guess it's a little confusing to say full half step. Cool. So now, this should be good. Occurrence full, 1,633 variables. And then we have no duplicates, right? No duplicates. Yes. Okay, so now next. Fuck. Okay, so we have the spec poly. We'll do, oh, just occurrence full SF. So OCC full, ST as SF, and then we'll do some presence absence matrix. Going on with this right there. Cool. Oh, right. I need to convert it to a spatial polygon data frame. Because I'm not doing that, so now this should just be occurrence full. Oh, I'm almost done with this script. I'm almost done with this script. Oh my gosh, please tell me I'm almost done with this script. Right, because it's going to be binomial. So what this script does, it's another custom script of mine. Let me see if I have it up. Yeah. So this is a presence absence matrix script. So it takes two objects and then makes a presence absence matrix based off of it. So for my case, it's all the species ranges, and it's saying, oh, these species are found in, you know, XYZ area. So, oh, okay. So an occurrence full. Let's now add in a, okay, hold on, OCC full, we'll mutate on a quick little column, mutate, ID is equal to row number. Easy enough. What is it? What is this function supposed to take? What is it? I'm very confused. What are the two inputs? The units of the X SF object and the units of the Y SF object. So my units are binomial. Oh, and grids. Oh, dude. Let me just change it to ID. That's... No. Change it. Keep it on grids. So then boom. And then here we shall do grids. Now it should work. Oh my god, it's finally done. Okay. And now I have a ginormous matrix. 20 million cells. Fuck yes. Okay, look at this shit. There we go. Cool. I'm just gonna post on Instagram. So look at this. I have been working on a script that creates this presence-absence matrix for all these different grid cells for all the species in my study, and I finally got my presence-absence matrix. Guess how many? Guess how many cells there are? How many rows and columns there are? 20 million. 19.5 million, I guess. I mean, I can accept 500K as a rounding error. Jesus. So look at this. I have been working on a script that creates this presence-absence matrix for all these different grid cells for all the species in my study, and I finally got my presence-absence matrix. Guess how many? Guess how many cells there are? How many rows and columns there are? 20 million. 19.5 million, I guess. I mean, I can accept 500K as a rounding error. Jesus. So look at this. Just waiting on the captions to finish auto doing it. Blah blah blah. All these different grid cells for all the species in my study. Why is it not doing it? It's taking a long time to transcribe that audio for some reason. Guess how many cells there are? How many rows and columns there are? 20 million. 19.5 million, I guess. I mean, I can accept 500K. Okay, so now I need to save all of this. So we will be saving presab. We will be saving presence-absence matrix for all these different grid cells for all the species in my study, and I finally got my presence-absence matrix. Guess how many? We will definitely be saving occurrence full. Rows and columns there are. And I guess they just want me to save they. I want to save just. So look at this. Let's do it as. Presence-absence matrix for all these different grid cells for all the species in my study, and I finally got my presence-absence matrix. Guess how outputs. Many, I'm gonna consider this 3, and then this is occurrence full presab. Oh. Occurrence data. And I want to include raster into here. So let's just save that file, get that all there before our crashes for some stupid reason. I have been working on a script that creates this presence-absence matrix for all these different grid cells for all the species in my study, and I finally got my presence-absence matrix. Guess how many? Guess how many cells there are? How many rows and columns there are? Boom. 20 million. 19.5. Yeah. And okay. I'm gonna run to the bathroom really quick, but then we'll continue on this journey. ¿De dónde es mi teléfono? case I get caught in a conversation. Yeah. Okay. So then, this one. I'll probably have to make some more coffee in just a second. Okay, so this script, done. Cool. It is a lot better. Okay. Cool. Let's save that, and now we need to start doing... Okay, I don't need to work on this here anymore, so this can be my... Okay, let's just clean up things a little bit. So now let's look back at our script, and what is the next step? Okay, combine, create the presence-absence matrix. We don't need to do that anymore. So what we are really doing here is just this little bit of code, actually. So boom, boom. And then I will call it, we're going to load 3 occurrence data. Oop, dot R data. Okay. Okay. So then we are going to match our phyloregions with the phylogeny, with the presence-absence matrix. And then we will also load cleaned data. Okay. And then subset it, phylobeta, and then determine the optimal number of phyloregions. Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward script. So let's get the matches, let's get the community matrix, let's run phylobeta. I should have started running this before I went to the bathroom, I think. And now calculate the optimal number of phyloregions. After that script may take a little bit. I mean, after that, we'll have a visualization. Okay, so I'm going to put it as save. We'll call it opt beta com matches. File is equal to outputs for phyloregions, phyloregion outputs dot r data. Cool. Then the next script will worry about all the visualizations and whatnot. Oh, god damn. Oof. Really bad neck pain today. I think I've also like massively increased the number of species. I guess I gotta see once com or matches be able to tell me. Looks like I have 1,600 species. Nice. Massive increase. Fuck yes. I think last time it was at 1,100 and a bit. Ooh, Oblivion. I haven't seen that movie. Let's see here. Let's go onto the YouTube front. Let's watch something. I'm just gonna turn on music. Stone Rebel. Let's see how this works. I'm pretty sure I can just save this script. So this will just go into scripts, and it shall be for underscore philo region create. Done. Easy enough. And then what I've also started is I've started up a few of the actually, while this is going, why don't I get some of the other stuff set up? So I have like post hoc scripts. I just number them 999 so that they're at the end. But what I'll do is I need to get RASP phylogenetics, which is a tool I plan on using. So let me just do that. Install. Let's get it. I also need to get a new. Most users should not download these. Yep. I'm trying to download it. Okay, that's the manual. Okay, but I just want to download it. Oh, here we go, here we go. Okay. So it will be kept in documents, RASP, and then also biodiverse. Oops. Software. He just set out a new update. That makes my life a hell of a lot easier. Okay, download, because I want the updated one. Oh, wait. No. He should have a more updated one, right? Is it just not up on GitHub yet? I thought he had a new one. Thought there was a, sorry, blog, not help. I thought, yeah. Okay. Version 4 is going to keep it. Okay. Okay, so now I just need to get the development version. So, stable release, development release. Oof. Here we go. I'm just going to send this. I'm going to send this to my advisor really quick, just to, because I haven't spoken to him in a few months. Ooh. Cool. To Todd. Let's see, what else does it do? Cool, weird, it said I disconnected for a second. Oop, and this script is done. Ha 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 ha, look at that, things are going. Got my code going. Do 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 do. Okay, so now I need to okay, so now we'll do some visualization. File, open file, new file. There we go. So then this will be 5 visualizing yep. And then we are going to also load this one. Dope. Okay. And let's go and grab what we need here. So all of this is pretty hideous. So boom. Okay. So first off, let us try to, well, you know what? There's some stuff in here that's all kind of weird. I'm going to delete all of it and then reload all of it. So boom, boom, boom. That way we just don't have any errors. Cannot open the connection. Don't tell me my occurrence data didn't save. What? I didn't save it. Oh. So it's just got to run all this shit all over again. Oh, that's so annoying. I thought I saved it. Okay. Well, maybe I could start fixing some of this. I mean, these are just some basic plots. This script, and this is like the long one too. That's annoying. That's so annoying. Wow. Wow, I can't believe that's just not running now. Oh gosh. Oh. Let's do something different. Let's you know what? I'm just gonna go and go to chess.com. Let's do this. So then I can just go to scene. Nope, me but small. There we go. Let's just let's play. Oh, I did not mean to play bullet. Oh well. Okay. This is usually what I've been doing. It's like just something to kill the time. Wants to be friends, bro. I don't know you. What is this trash opening, bro? Just gonna take as much space as I can. Oh, that's a mistake. Oh, hold on. I might be able to... Gonna also grab that... This person's playing like garbage. There's a chance he could get smother mated if I figure out how to do that. He's gonna go there. Yep. Cool. Let's see, where's my R at? Still going. Cool, let's do another game. Oh, no, let's do a 1-1. Yep, a little brain break. It's more like my code is still running, so I just need a little, you know, need to do something that, just until it's done. Oh, I should have just taken. Oh, well, gave me another chance. Oh, well. Okay. Boom. Let's just hold back. But yeah, these little, I don't know. I've been playing chess a decent amount as of late, so it's, I don't know. It's good. Let's go. Let's go here. Let's do something a little weird. I mean, it's bullet, so I guess I should just play fast. This guy's a lot higher rated than I guess if I, yeah, I don't know. There's other ways I could have handled this, but I'm just going to take that. And then, ooh. Let's go. I like this. Let's go this way. Let's do this. Let's attack his queen a bit. And that will enable me to do that. And then... Take it. Take it. I don't care. Do it. Do it. Do it. Take it. Take it. Never got my brain to understand. Yeah, the knights take a while to learn, but I played it a little bit when I was a kid and then recently got into it again, somewhat recently. So I'm just gonna push, and then if he takes, I'll just do that. Come on, it's nothing, my man. Terrible move. Yep. My man really going for a repetition. Like... Uh-huh. Let's do it. YOLO. Oh, that was a good move, except for that. Oh, just hung your queen. And, okay, we're still gonna play. We're still gonna play. I'm just gonna go fast then. Okay, tunnel vision. There we go. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's finally going. Yeah, basically this whole big script had to rerun. So, it was like, it's either playing guitar, doing chess, or, you know, one of the... It's gotta do something while this code... It's just, yeah. But hopefully this will run pretty quick, and then we'll have some visualizations in a bit. I can probably get one more little short game out. Maybe I should make this, like, a little smaller. Yeah, that way we can see multiple things at once. Okay. Yeah, I'll do a rematch. I'll do a rematch. Can I not pre-move? Wait. Okay, whatever. I thought there was a... I don't know this guy. I'm just gonna say no. Okay, let's go. Okay, he's probably also gonna do a kings. No, he's not. Okay. Okay. I don't mind that. I'll keep that there. I'll keep up the pressure. And then let's just castle. Let him make the first move. Okay. Take it. I don't care. I could have done it with the queen, actually. That would have been way better. I need to get my pieces out. Oh, I decided to go with clinical research. I mean, this research isn't so bad. It's a lot of just coding and, like, really having to pay attention to that. So it's really not terrible by any means. What? Oh, you rat bastard. Okay. There we go. Okay, cool. That'll set me up there. Let's get this knight out. So we can get this rook out. But do you like the clinical side? Should have done that first. Right. Clinical with therapy instead of clinical. Oh, I see what you're saying. That's cool though. Let's do... I mean, the attack is over here. That's what I want to do. Nice. Easy. Okay, now we have it saved. Now I can start on the next bit. So, let's see, is everything going good? We'll plot the raster. See how this looks. Okay, plot the raster. Yep, we got the raster. We got the grid cells. Woo, we did it. Okay, so now we need to plot the phyla regions. Oh, that just creates it. to not make a difference by going out into the world. I mean, there's a kernel. I'll give it a kernel of truth. um, I forgot a crop somewhere. I fucked up somewhere in the pipeline. Yeah. I mean, there's a point to be made there, but, like, the research is what informs the impact drivers. That's how I've always seen it. Oh, this is weird. Huh, okay. Opt A. Okay, well, that's because I need to do it here. Huh. Did I do the right beta? Oh, I might have done. Okay, wait. Oh, did I not do... I think I know where I fucked up. But it's a slightly easy fix. Slightly easy. Let me just double check with this. Grids and geometry. Yep. Okay, ST crop. Boom to extent. That's what I should have done. Shit. That fucks up all my downstream stuff, so I really need to fix it in here. Shouldn't take too crazy long, though. How much does that have to remove? Because I was at 19.5 million grid cells. It should be lower now. But it isn't. Okay, hold on. What the fuck is going on here? Plot raster. Oh, I should do it with extent up here, right? That should be better. Maybe I just set up ST crop bad? So ST crop. No. This crops it to... Right, I need to do it with ST intersects. Automatically includes the bounding with special index. Returns T. Otherwise returns F false. So what I need to do is I need to do it here. Raster filter where it is ST intersects where we are doing that with extent. I believe this should do it. Basically, I'm just trying to make this match my extent, which is the boundaries of my study, instead of just be everywhere, because that's biasing my data if I'm not doing that, because my occurrence records are only from the extent. Or species are only for... So yeah, if I'm including all, I'm getting a biased data set, which is probably why it looks so fucky. But this is also why I've been splitting up my code like this, so I can do these things a lot easier and make these changes without it fucking up everything. I am pretty happy. Like, I wrote most of this code like a year and a half, 2 years ago. So just knowing my current state, it's with this is leaps and bounds better. Leaps and bounds better. That code might take a second, so okay. Oh, I have an error. Oh, I have to take it. Oh, that's annoying. Wow, I'm getting creamed over here. Jesus. That was bad. That was a mistake. Yep. Dang it. They're getting me good. This guy's doing good. I just gotta play faster, I think. I'm about to get checkmated so badly. Oh, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. I can win this. I'm a little bit up on time. Oh, gosh. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, bad move, bad move, bad move. Bad move, bad move. Oh, he's choking. Let's just keep this simple. This thing needs to go. Oh, that was also a mistake. That was... Wow, you should have just taken. He's gonna go there and I'm just gonna take it. Oh, I should have done two. It's not gonna work, my guy. Ha! Okay. Okay, so it needs to be a logical vector. So what if I do, let's just test what this looks like. So if I do st intersects raster extent, what is the output that we are given? It should be st intersects, right? Crop on SF to another SF. I thought st crop would have done it, but that doesn't do it. It crops it to a rectangle. It should be ST intersects. Maybe intersects is not it. Maybe it's overlap equals intersects. Yeah, it should be intersects though. Yeah, if they share any space, they are together, and that's what I want. So it should just be that. Yeah, okay. Sparse geometry binary predicate list where the predicate was intersects. Okay, yeah, it should be fine. That's why you ain't working like that. Let's just check the output. Because I didn't really have a good grasp of what the output looks like from this. It gives me an abbreviation. And now I might just need to be like where ST intersects equals 1. That might just be all I need. I thought it returned true false, but I guess it returns maybe ones and empties. So let's see that. And I guess I can also do it where we can do plot out equal to 1. Just to see what it looks like. I think out returns as an SF object, so. Yeah. Let's see here. This is why I do a lot of bullet games, because usually it's just like fast that I need to do. Like there's not much time. Okay, good move, good move. Wow, bad move. Okay, we're closing up the position. If we're doing that, then boom. Okay, so I did get an output that I need to check right after this match. Okay, let's just make that an outpost tonight. Make sure nothing is coming out this way. If we do, we have some retreating spaces. Then let's just start going for it. Boom. Easy enough. Yep, I am not overtly concerned about that. Down for that. Weaken that structure just a bit. Let's start breaking up some pawns. Oh, okay. Oh, this is one I can boom. Let's just go there. Yep. Yep, trying to target that. Don't really care. It's protected, so what you gonna do? Look at this move, he's gonna fall for it. Oh, he didn't fall for it. Oh, he didn't fall for it. Okay, but that was a bad move because you just checkmated yourself. No, you didn't. Depends. If you do it with the queen. Oh gosh, if he does it with the rook, he checkmates himself. No. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So out is an SGBP. I have no idea what SGP is. So if we're looking at the intersection of, okay, raster. Only what? What? Really? What? How do I use ST intersects then? What? This is so dumb. Oh, there's just an ST make grid? Oh my god, okay, this will... Oh, okay, whoa. ST make grid. We can do it over extent. We can do cell size equals 0.5. I don't know if that'll work. CRS offset. CRS is equal to the ST CRS of... Let's do OCC full. Wow. Plot grid. I just want to double check what this looks like. So plot extent add equals true. It should plot it on top of these grids. I could have just done ST make grid. Okay. And then what does ST make grid? What does grid look like? Okay, okay, so then we will do ST make grid. We don't need to do any of this. Wow. Mutate. I've used ST intersect, so I'm like really confused. I need to look at the help doc for that one, because I'm not sure why it's returning what it's returning. But we're definitely updating this away from raster. So really I'm just testing things out. Apply over out one any. What does that say? That's how you get it. Okay, 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 okay. So this is how you get your true false. So then we're gonna call it raster for now. No applicable message for mutate. Are you fucking kidding me, man? Yes, you have. is it? Why do I always forget to do this? I've tried merge and it doesn't work for me. So maybe we make it called out ID is equal to 1 through must be inside dplyr verbs. But now it's a list, and that's not... Oh, because it should be grid. I'm not sure why this is not working. Yeah. Like, why is that not working? So st make a grid, we make the grid, and it's a giant polygon. You know what? I know what was working, so I'm not gonna... We're just gonna do a lot of unknowns and put it right back to raster. Okay, raster works. We're not gonna fuck with st make a grid. That's fine. But we are gonna do the st intersects. And then what we're going to make sure is that we are going to... So we filter it. So boom, that's fine. So we'll just call this raster. And then we were going to figure out... out, cool, and then we're going to do raster filter according to, I believe it's in here, apply mat any. Filter according to, we're going to apply to out. Boom. This should work then. Okay. Mutate, apply to raster layers. You have been doing this though. Oh, it's because I know what I'm doing. As and then spatial polygon data frame, and then st as sf. Oops, spatial polygons data frame. There we go. And then finally we have the last two. So we need to run st intersects again, and then we just need to run that. Dear God, so annoying. But then we should plot raster just to make sure that it is working once it is done. So another round of bullet. Cool. Ooh. Really bad moves from my opponent. I'm just war paging this, damaging his structure. Let's now fork these two. just going to expand. That's just free. That's actually 2 pawns. Don't care. Oh, actually. Checkmate. Ha! Okay. Look at that. We got it. Now let's plot raster, see what this baby looks like. We got it. 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 Okay. Okay. So now we can actually run things properly. Press ab. Actually, mine is usually pretty fast. There we go. So save that. Now, here, let me double check this phylobeta function as well, because I need to double check all of the metrics. Is he going kings? Okay. He is playing kings Indian. Okay. That's just already caused trouble. Oh, you just trapped your bishop, my guy. No way around it. And now your rook is mine. Come on. Come on, make your move. Make your move. Lose the rook. Yep. Cool. Let's just keep going. Okay. Fair. Fair play. Fair play. Didn't see that. Oh. I don't care. I'm not playing this one too great, but it is what it is. So we could just do that. I'll take the draw. I'll take that draw. Okay. So I do need the third one. Okay, so cool. Let's get the matches. Let's get this. Let's get this. And I do want the third option for the optimal. Now, optimal takes a little bit to run, so let's just keep playing some chess because I'm doing all right. Let's just make it easy. Oh, buddy, that was a mistake. Let's go. Oh, damn. He trapped me. Yep, that was pretty bad. Oh, and that ran way faster too. Hell yeah. Okay, now let's start to visualize our stuff. Boom. Plot. Oop, nope, 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 nope. Plotted it incorrectly. Blessed. Oh, right. It's actually a function called eval distinct. The tree. Is that what it is? So, wait a second. Philo. I think it's beta 3. No. Whatever. I got this, so that's good. Yeah, okay. That's fair. I'm getting fewer regions, right? Versus if I did it with, let's do this. So let's do it with beta jack. And then we'll also do it with beta soar. So then we have family is Sorensen. Oh, 1R. Did I not type Sorensen? Arg should be one of Jacquard. Sorensen. Ian, not Owen. Ah, always typos like that. Okay, so then we'll do opt soar, and then above it we will put opt jack. Boom, opt soar. Okay, cool. Opt soar. Opt jack. Beta soar. And beta jack. So that everything gets saved properly. And then probably just write out some type of thing to figure this out better. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Jack, soar. Boom, boom, boom. We got all of that. Save. Okay, so this will be beta jack. I'm actually now not I'm going to rerun these because I'm not sure if they saved properly. Or if not sure they ran properly to be more accurate. I'm probably going to make coffee in a second as well. Cool.
So look at this.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Once this is done and optimal, then I can save everything, and then we can start plotting and investigating and doing all sorts of fun stuff. Cool. Save. Done, done, done. And once that is done saving, yep, now we can finally plot. Okay, so let's look at the Jacquard index. Simple, easy. And now let's look at it with the Sorensen's index. Yeah, this is the one I've been working with mainly, is this Sorensen's one. Very clean. Love how this looks. But there might be some issues in the data, actually. Okay. So yeah. So I really need to double check that. Okay, let's just save it. Okay. So now the pipeline is fully built and proper and way cleaner and way easier to work with. Let me just see occurrence full. Let's export occurrence full. Okay, so, and look at it in QGIS really quick. Export SFR. It should just be ST right. Okay. So I want to do ST right occurrence full into a outputs OCC full.shp. And then what goes into the layer object? I always forget. Maybe a file name. I don't think I even need to put anything. Yeah, don't need to do anything. Okay, cool. So let's now open up QGIS and just investigate a little bit better. I think there's bound to be some errors, but we'll find them. Really, the biggest thing right now is that the phylogeny is still fucked. And yeah, okay. This really needs to update, but we will open. Okay, cool. So let's now go to final region outputs. Oh, no. I'm needing to add a layer. Add a just data source manager is way easier. Browser. Okay, F. Yep. Outputs. Okay, once outputs loads, then we can see our beautiful occurrence data set, make sure it's not fucked up, which could totally happen. Here we go. Okay. So we shall close the data source manager. And let's add in a let's add in labels. So we'll just do single labels based on binomial. Okay, apply. And then let's also add in our symbology. We shall do a, what do we want to do? Let's do categorized based on binomial. And we'll just do random colors in the Viridis. Okay, classify, high number. Yep. Okay, apply, okay. So, let's look at something I can really figure out well. Let's add in a filter maybe. Let's add in a filter here. Binomial is like Abronia. Test. Oh, boom. Abronia. Test. Oh god, yeah, what is it? Okay, filters in QGIS get kind of weird. Filter, QGIS. Yep. Filter. It's just the formatting I need to make sure. Like operator. Name like Picurus. So I think I need to do that. Ha, there we go. So now we see the full Abronias. Yeah, that looks about right. Let's also add a layer. Add vector layer, blah, I'm just gonna go to the browser and we'll go to, might actually be in inputs. Final region extent, cool. And we will drag that below so that we can have, yep, okay, so now if we have the filters going, let's do agalicness. Yep. Nothing's looking crazy off. So one. Okay. Okay, let's do the analyses. Analysis test, good. Click OK. Yeah. And then what am I wanting to do? I'm wanting to interact. No, I want to not zoom. Okay, so this is Carolinensis is down there. So that would be a GBIF record. Yeah, occurrence. Map. And then where, yes. Okay, so there are a few scattered records. That should be excluded for sure. Like, Carolinensis should only be here. Okay, but this is why we investigate. So that would be something in clean spatial. Plot C GBIF herps. Actually, I would be plotting dat, which, and then what is this? It would be species, I think, in this one. Species is equal to anolis. Dat not found. So is this present in occurrence? Let's start there. Okay, so it is species. In which OCC at data plot. Oh. So why is it getting an anolis down here? Is there something about, is IUCN range off? IUCN anolis. Oop. Boom. IUCN red list. Let's actually, what I can do is I can just add it onto here. So let's add a new layer, add a layer, add a vector layer, blah, blah, blah. Here, we'll go to, this should be the raw IUCN data, but clipped. So filter, where we'll just do genus is equal, or is like anolis. Cool. Test. The single double quotes always mess with me. There we go. Test it up. 30 clause. Okay. It's from IUCN. Okay, that's good. Because that means it's not my fault. Labels, let's just double check. No. Single labels, make sure it's not another species and it got fucked up somewhere. Yep, okay, so IUCN is adding this little anolis. Okay, well. That is a weird thing. Let me double check in the IUCN if we added an extra filter. Filter, genus like, and let's see, we have category, no, we have presence, no, there should be something here that says, like, something that's like extant range, not extant invasive range. I thought there's something like that with the IUCN data. Compiler, year, citation, no. That's actually really weird. Legend? Ah, okay. Where? And legend is equal to let me see this data sheet. So we got 2 records for Anolis. They're saying extant on both. No, that's frustrating, but it is what it is. Let me go see what the dog's doing. No, calm down. Stop. Chill, dude. Your life is fine. Yes, very cute. Okay. Dude. Oliver. What are you doing? Stop it. Stop barking. Okay, well, my goals for today are completed. I'm going to take a break from this, or at least maybe do some coding off stream or something, but yeah, thanks for joining. I'll be doing this, of course, way more often, but I also need to get some food in my belly. So, thanks for watching, thanks for hanging out. Yeah, have a good one.